fucking bitch. In this video, I cosplayed what a TikTok comment told me to do, which is such a good idea. Thank you so much for 1,300 subscribers. We're growing so fast on this channel, and I can't thank you enough. Enjoy the video. That is Miu Iruma right here. So, we will be cosplaying her. First is the contacts. Now, I think most people for Miu Iruma do blue contacts, but I do one blue and one like kind of purple because I think it looks cool. Oh, this burns a lot. I'm okay. No, I'm not. This hurts really bad. What I just did, don't do that. I got an eyelash or something in here. Turns your eye red like this. Ow. The next step in the cosplay is foundation. And for the foundation, I gotta take the infamous Ghost Pop beanie off. I am sorry, you guys. And I'm gonna put on some super pale foundation. Because I don't know. Have you guys ever had to help like one of your parents with something, but you don't know what the fuck you're supposed to do? So they're like, hold the flashlight, and you're just sitting there with the flashlight like, am I doing a good job? And then something goes wrong and they're like, no, you're not doing a good job. Hold the flashlight. And somehow it's your fault that they don't know what they're doing. Once again, we're not going to worry too much about putting foundation like around my neck because I am going to be wearing a breastplate. That's also the other reason I like to do a lighter skin tone, because my breastplate is lighter skin tone than I am. So the next step we're going to do after foundation is contour with, once again, the trusty contour stick. After this jaw contour, I'm going to do my nose, and I'm gonna do the temples of my forehead. The next step is concealer. So I'm gonna do a line of concealer down my nose and then just in like a triangle shape in my chin so that my chin is more pointy and less square and masculine. With this concealer, I am also going to get the ends of my eyebrows a little bit. Perfect. Next step will be eyeshadow. So let's look at Miu once again. Miu probably doesn't have a ton of eyeshadow. She's got so much blush though. Maybe like a little bit of pink. We could do that. A tiny bit of pink eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush. And if we look once again at Miu, it really looks like she's got this like a ton of blush that goes all up and around the sides. Kind of like a triangle. Perfect. Okay, now let's see if we can blend that in out. Actually, that reminds me of something. While I was in Miami, I was with one of my European friends, and she was like, oh, while we're here, I really want to have a classic good American burger. Do you know any good burger places around here? I was like, no, not really. And she goes, do you have an In-N-Out around here? I thought you wanted like a fancy burger or something. It's like a slightly better McDonald's, I guess. It's still fast food. I don't. Now let's move on to the eyebrow pen. Let's go ahead and put on our eyeliner, and then I'll go ahead and put the breastplate on. She's got like, it's like there's 3 very distinct lines, up, over, and then down a little bit. Eyeliner is done. Let's go. Let's go. Chat. It is time. What is it time for? The infamous breastplate. I'm gonna go put that on, and then afterwards I'm gonna put my fake lashes on. They like jiggle when I sit back down. They're like, wait. Now for the lashes. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, it actually looks so good. I'm actually really happy with it. All right. Now, finally, wig time. I'm okay. I like it, looks good to me. Thank you. I'm glad you think so. Miu Iruma, bitch. Virgin.